Hey guys, this is Jeffery Becka. I'm sales manager here at Wood Tooling Shop, and today we're going to be going over the different type of saw blades that we currently stock, specifically our carbide tip blades. All of our blades are Italian made and they're located right here in Wilmington, North Carolina. Alright guys, so the first blade we're going to be going over today are going to be our carbide tipped ripping blades. We have the flat top. It has the flat grind here. It is a 10-inch blade, 5/8 inch bore. And then if you guys need to do any kind of gluing applications, we also have our 10-inch, 5/8 inch bore glue line rip blade. This one, as opposed to the other one with 24 teeth, this one's going to come complete with 36. And then instead of the flat grind, it is going to have the TCG grind. It's going to give you a much smoother finish on that. So the next one on our list is going to be probably our most popular style, and that's our general purpose blade. So this particular one is a 10-inch 40-tooth general purpose blade. It is a TCG grind. We also offer it in ATB as well. Just like the other blades, we do have the laser cut keys on there. That's just going to help with the noise and vibration. This one here is going to be ideal for solid wood cutting. We also offer it in a 60-tooth as well, which is going to give you an even faster feed rate speed as well as reduced feed pressure. If you're not using so much solid wood but more on the MDF, melamine side, I would definitely recommend trying out our combination blade. This is a 10-inch blade as well. You have the 10 sets of 5 teeth. This particular one comes with a grind that is ATB plus R, and this one's going to be really good if you guys are doing a lot of flat bottom cuts. Alright, so the next one we're going to go over is our thin kerf blade. If you guys are looking to save material as well as create less dust, I definitely recommend the thin kerf blade. This one, we do offer it in 40 and 60 tooth blade. This one comes with a ATB grind with a 10 or 15 degree hook depending on what you need. Alright, and lastly, if you guys are looking for a super smooth cut and a really fine finish, definitely go with our trim cut blade, which is the last one we're going to be talking about today. This particular one is a 10-inch 80-tooth blade. It comes in both ATB or TCG grind with a 10-degree hook. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, all of our social media links can be viewed in the bottom of this video, so go follow us.